said, Mr. Primos, I didn't have a daddy that hunted. I didn't have anybody in my family, and I wanted to hunt, and I started watching the Truth series, and you taught me, you and all your team taught me.
What's up, everybody? Me and my dad in the truck this morning. We're gonna go turkey hunting again. Listen to old Cuz Strickland getting fired up for the turkey hunt. So hopefully we can strike one up this morning. It's the opening day of youth season in Upper Alabama, and hopefully we can bring y'all back a turkey this morning. Catch y'all in the turkey woods. Y'all are in the pond this morning, and we got a bunch of hens behind us. We think they're gonna come out to the left of us. We heard a few gobbles this morning, but he done shut up. He only gobbled on the limb, and he flew down and he shut up, so hopefully we can fire him back up. We'll record if we get him. Response. Try to hit some calls. See if we can get one strike up. We'll pick you up if we do.
Birds ain't using these fields yet. You know why?
Why?
Think about it. You tell me why. I want to see how much you've learned. Look at the woods. Look at the woods.
There's no leaves on the trees.
That's right. It's open. They can work in the woods right now and see. When all the foliage comes out, they'll move and start using these fields a little bit more. They'll use the hardwoods a little bit more this time of year. When all the foliage comes out, they'll use these fields a little bit more.
Oh, okay. It's pretty smart.
It's all about survival, man. It's all about survival.
We're having a little bit of technical difficulties. This wind's blowing like crazy.
What we have here is a lack of communication between us and the turkeys. We get up at 4 a.m. to come out here to sit by a tree to listen to crows. We ain't crow hunting. We turkey hunting. We know they're here. We seen their poop. We seen their scratches.
We've even seen them.
we heard what we pretty sure was a gobbler. He was about 50 yards behind us this morning. But what does he do? He gets all his little lady friends and he takes off another direction. And he left us behind. We was talking sweet nothings to him in his ear. I told him some things I'd like to do with him. He answered. And it sounded pretty interested there for a minute. But then, old Sally over there, she flies off, jumps down there, struts her stuff in front of him. He decides to go off of her. It ain't right. I feel used and neglected. It's a shame is what it is. It's a shame.
Alright, y'all, we didn't have no luck today. We heard a few birds gobble, but none of them really came in. We had one about 50 yards behind us. He only gobbled on the limb, but when he flew down, he shut up and went off with another hen. We couldn't call him back. There was a bunch of hens behind us this morning. And we're gonna try them again tomorrow, see if we can't get something. But as for now, we got a ball game to get to, so wish us luck tomorrow. Morning, everybody. Day 2 of turkey hunting. We're gonna see if we can get something today. We heard a couple yesterday, but we couldn't call them in. There was one about 50 yards behind us. He just went off with another hen and shut up. And he gobbled on the limb about 3 or 4 times, but when he flew down, he just shut up and went off with another hen. So we know they're down there. We know there's at least 2 down there. We got them on camera. So
We own that junk.
we own that junk. So hopefully we can trick them into coming in this morning. We'll pick you up in the blind.
Alright, y'all, we're in the blind. We've heard 2 gobblers in front of us this morning. One of them gobbled about 2 times, the other gobbled about 3. But we tried to call them in, and they went the opposite direction to a cow field about 250 yards in front of us. And there was a hen with them, but we were trying to tick her off so she would come in this field. And maybe the gobblers would follow her and see her decoys and come out here, but they never did it. So we'll pick y'all up if something happens.
Alright, y'all. We didn't get nothing. Again. But we did hear some birds, okay? We did hear some birds. They were about, what would you say, about 100 yards in front of us. They did the same thing they did yesterday morning. And they just went straight behind us and went to a cow field about 250 yards in front of us. So that sucks.
Hard to hunt on Mr. P.O. Stead's land when Mr. P.O. Stead don't give you permission to hunt. So
Yeah.
that's what our problem is right now.
Yeah, but we got a whole spring break ahead of us. We can hunt every day of the week, so hopefully we'll get one during spring break.
Wish us luck, please.
Please. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.